Watering your plants might seem like a simple task, but doing it at the wrong time can actually harm them rather than help. This is a fact many gardeners swear by, and it's a topic that sparks plenty of debate. But here's the truth most people overlook. When to water your garden can be just as important as how much water you give. If you're passionate about gardening, you already understand the crucial roles sunlight and water play in nurturing healthy plants. Keeping your garden thriving mostly comes down to these two essentials. While the UK's often rainy climate usually keeps our gardens nicely hydrated, recent summers have painted a different picture. Extended dry periods, coupled with hosepipe bans and creeping drought conditions, mean many plants need some extra care to survive and flourish. According to seasoned gardening professionals, there really is a best time to water your plants, and it's not during the hottest part of the day. Surprisingly, many gardeners mistakenly water their plants between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. when the sun is at its peak, believing that's when plants need it the most. But here's the catch. Watering during these hours can be counterproductive. Maurice Hankinson, a respected expert and managing director of Hopes Grove Nurseries, explains it well. Watering in peak sunlight means much of that water evaporates before it can sink deep into the soil to nourish the roots. Plus, sudden temperature shifts caused by wet leaves and intense heat can cause significant stress or damage to plants. So, unless a plant is in dire need, it's better to avoid watering during this time. So when is the magic window for watering? Experts agree that early morning is the golden hour. According to Ali Laji, founder of Treemend, giving your plants water before 9 a.m. allows the soil to soak in moisture before the day warms up, maximizing hydration. As the year progresses and the temperatures drop, watering by mid-morning is acceptable, since evaporation risks decline, making it easier for plants to absorb water effectively. Here's where it gets a bit contentious. Evening watering is sometimes recommended by experts like Maurice, especially during warm spells. Watering in the evening allows plants to take up moisture and nutrients after the heat of the day fades. However, this approach isn't flawless. If your garden battles slugs, which are more active at night, watering in the evening can unintentionally encourage them. Morning watering can help deter these pests, adding another layer to the strategy. In summary, the consensus among gardening pros is clear. Avoid the midday sun, favor early mornings, and consider your environment carefully when deciding about evening watering. This well-timed approach helps your plants absorb the hydration they need without wasting water or risking harm. But what do you think? Have you noticed a difference when watering at different times? Could the traditional advice to water plants when you see them wilting during the day actually be hurting them more? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Let's get the conversation growing.